Nano text editor tutorial for iPhone and iPad. So some advanced Nano features that will come in handy for you is to open the file at a specific line. You might want to open Nano at a specific line. Imagine you, like I said, having 1000 lines of code and you want to open it in maybe line 500. You can just do something like Nano plus 500. Then you bring in the file name, the file name. In my case, let me just go to line, maybe line 3 of file.txt. Line 3 of file.txt. So come here, you can see this is taking me directly to line 3. You can see the cursor is on, the control is on line 3. This is another line. So that is it basically. Now, another thing that you have to understand is that you can decide to open a file using the file name or using the file path. If you look at the notes directory that we have been working with, you can see that file.txt, new file.txt. I might want to open a file that is in another directory. All I have to do is just nano, then I will type the full file path. Okay, but I don't want to do that. I just want to tell you it's a possibility. Another thing that you might want to do is to open a file in view mode. So if you open it in view mode, you will not be able to edit the file. For example, it might be a configuration file. Okay, it might be a configuration file with a lot of settings that are crucial to the effective operation of your of the Linux environment. You don't want to edit them. So how do you do that? You can, for example, let me use new file.txt. I can do nano, then I'll pass the v flag, then new file.txt. Okay, this is me passing the v flag now. Return. If I try to enter anything, you can see key is invalid in view mode. Key is invalid in view mode, so I will not be able to do anything. I will not be able to type in anything. The only thing I can do here is to exit, basically to exit, or to use the arrow keys to navigate different parts of the file and all that. So let me just exit. So that is it for view mode. Now you might want to enable line numbers. Okay, you might want to enable line numbers. If you are editing a script, for example, and you want to show the line numbers, you can pass the L flag. So nano, pass the L flag, then new file, return. You can see I'm having line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, and line 5. So everything is displaying this way. I have more control over what I'm editing and the whatever I want to do. Okay, so that is how to enable line numbers. Now, a pro tip for you: make sure that those crucial files, configuration files or whatsoever, when you want to edit them, it is advisable that you create a backup. Okay, if you check the tutorial we have on the channel on essential Linux commands for iPhone users, I explained file management and file editing commands in the video. You can just check it out. So for example, if you want to back up new file.txt, you can use the cp command, then you write the name of the file you want to back up. Now the name of the target file, so I can do something like new file, then I'll pass something like backup then .txt ls.